Say hello, Rue. Good morning from Bellingham, Washington. I did not sleep great last night or the night before, but today we're going to Canada. Today marks the first day of my Canadian road trip. I'm very excited. I had to change my plans around a lot from what I originally planned because this girl waited to book all of her campsite reservations until last night. That is how good of a planner I am. It is September. I don't even know what day in September it is. Why is this my life? It's somewhere in the middle of September right now. And so it's about to be leaf peeping season there. And all of the campsites are getting scooped up. And I figured I should have campsite reservations in order to cross the border today. They always like to hear your plan and that you have a reservation and an address that you're heading to. So I was able to get some. There are some gaps in between. So this trip is going to be partially planned and partially winging it, which seems to be my MO, and it always tends to work out, so we shall see. Originally, I was going to pass through Squamish and Whistler and then head east to the Rockies from there, but since I only have about 2 weeks until my next contract starts and I have to be back down in Washington, I decided to skip Squamish and Whistler. So today I'm crossing the border from Bellingham and I'm heading northeast to the Revelstoke area. And then I will hit up Glacier National Park, Yoho, and Banff, and hopefully do some hiking in Canmore as well. I've planned out about 10 plus days. I plan to just do a bunch of amazing hikes with Rue. She has no idea what we're in for. And yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with us, so stay tuned. Rue, we're going to Canada. Yeah, we're going to Canada, Rue. You seem very excited. I just went and picked up a bunch of groceries from Trader Joe's that are easy to make. I went and got gas. I got some coffee, so I didn't have to worry about making that this morning. And now I'm on my way to the border. I'm really nervous due to past experiences. There was one time at the Michigan border crossing, right when I moved into the van, the entire thing got searched and Rue had to be in here by herself and she had a near panic attack while I sat in immigration and customs, and it just was stressful all around, and I'm hoping that that doesn't happen this time. Okay, I have my handy dandy folder here. It has my passport, my license, all of Rue's vaccinations. I have all of my campsite reservation dates ready to go. It's funny how past experiences can really affect you this much. I don't normally get nervous about things, but God, this is so weird. Okay, I'll be fine. Everything's okay. Having a van is not easy when crossing the border. Once again, I have to leave her in the van and go inside and answer some more questions. I'll be right back, honey. I'll be right back. You're doing so good, honey. You're doing so good. It's okay, Rue. Hey. It's okay.
Come here. Hey. Hey, come.
Well, they were very thorough. And now I have a lot of cleaning up to do. They went through the entire van. And of course they didn't find anything because I don't have anything that I shouldn't. But I understand why they have to do this. But I'm gonna hang out here for a minute and clean up so that my stuff doesn't go flying when I start driving. Okay, this isn't cool. This is a bag of my mementos. And they ripped it. They actually did a really good job of organizing the garage. I'm pretty impressed. I'm gonna leave that. All right, Bugaboo. It's time to hit the road again. I know you're cozy. Okay, so border crossing took about an hour. But we're ready now. We're in Canada.
Flying low under the radar, like a Nighthawk stealth plane, you are hiding out in the shadows, keeping from the light of day. Nobody should ever have to live that way. Hey now, it's okay now. You don't have to hide from the world no more. Hey now, it's okay now. It's your time to soar.
It's crazy how just as you get east of the mountain range, it becomes super sunny and warm, just like in Washington. I'm about to stop for some gas, and I'm not gonna lie, this is the first time, even though I've visited Canada twice now, this is my third time, this is my first time ever getting gas in Canada. And I hope it's not complicated. I can't imagine it would be, but here we go. It's not complicated at all. I look so short. Where are we? It's very straightforward. It's the same as the US. Although I don't know how much I truly paid in US dollars. Right now I'm driving to a local park in Merritt so that Rue can have a potty break and I might eat a snack or make some lunch. Are you ready to go stretch those legs? Rue, sit. Good. Stay. 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 Okay, break. Go ahead. Come on, Bugaboo. This way. So I just added this tension rod to my shower so that I could store clothing. It didn't work out very well. All of my clothing is about to fall out of there when I pick it up. Wow. That was less disastrous than I expected that to be. Honestly, this isn't my favorite clothing organization hack. If anyone has any recommendations of something better, I'm all ears. Because then when I want to use the bathroom, it just takes up so much room. And obviously I have to remove it when I shower, which is fine, but yeah, it's just kind of annoying. Rue is acting quite anxious, so I'm just gonna get some snacks on deck and hit the road. I booked a Boondockers welcome host for tonight. They live right by Shuswap Lake. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's about a couple hours east. So I'm just gonna finish the drive, go bed down for the night, hopefully get a really good night's sleep because I did not sleep very well in Bellingham with all of the noise downtown. So tomorrow, I should only have a couple hours to my first hike that I want to do. That's just past Revelstoke. I think it's technically in Glacier National Park. But yeah, I got my Canada National Parks Pass because we're going to be going through quite a few of them. And then the fun will begin.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I'm so lucky.
See how you've grown while you roam in the streets all alone.
What is life right now? Did y'all see that? Oh my god. That is like the best rainbow I have ever seen. Oh my gosh. What? Is this for real right now? What? Dude, the whole town's freaking out over this rainbow. I lived in Hawaii for 4 months and I have never seen a rainbow this beautiful and vibrant. It's so pretty. That was absolutely incredible. It was literally causing traffic jams, so I decided to go down to the shore. I just can't believe I just saw that. Oh, Canada. Every time you blow me away. This is only the beginning. I am losing it over here. It's so pretty. It's funny because I'm not good at preparing for things. Physically, mentally, none of the above. So I wasn't mentally prepared for this trip. I kind of just go into things like, yeah, whatever happens, happens. And now that I'm here, I'm just so stoked to be here and so excited about the next 10 days. Hi, Bug. So we just pulled up to Salmon Arm Wharf. This is the town that we're going to be staying in tonight. And the views look incredible. They even have parking spots that can accommodate my van. How nice.
Rue gets really nervous on structures like this sometimes, so we'll admire from a distance. This place feels completely straight out of a storybook, like everywhere I look. There's a live band downtown, so now I have to go find parking somewhere. Wish me luck! It is very rare for me to find a spot that I can parallel park in, but look what I found. Yeah. Or you wanna go check out some live music? Let's go. Fits so perfectly. So the downtown area here is super cute as well, but I'm too late, nothing's open. Definitely a possible stop to make some other time in the future. Okay, I think we have done enough for today. I'm exhausted and hungry, so I'm gonna go head over to the Boondockers Welcome Host. Imagine just having these views from your neighborhood. Like, what? Wow. It is so nice here. Where are we? Oh, nice. Oh. Little neighborhood vibe. Hi, babe. You must be hungry. This is very fancy van cooking right here. Don't hate. Here, come down here. Good. Sit. Here you go. Here you go. Here's your dinner. Voila. All right, dinner is done. I feel nourished. I am now sitting down for the evening to get some work done. It is nice because they shared their Wi-Fi password with me, so I get to mooch off of that a little bit. And I'm gonna try to find some campsites to fill in the gaps where I didn't make reservations, because apparently it has been super crowded there this month, which doesn't surprise me at all. But I'm gonna try to be as prepared as possible. So wish me luck, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.